Remove or replace the alternator in a 2005.5 to 2007 Audi A4 front-wheel drive Quattro, uh, four-cylinder FSI engine. We got the alternator right here. I got this coolant hose out of the way because in a different video I'm going to be doing a coolant flush video. But this is going to be removing the serpentine belt, removing or replacing the alternator. So first off, for most people, I'm going to suggest that you just go ahead and take off the negative battery terminal altogether. But if you don't want to reset your radio code, for instance, if it's going to go into security mode, or if you don't want to reset your time and your date, your presets, your windows, your sunroof, basic settings, then your battery coding, that kind of thing, then you can be very careful with this power wire right here and just take some duct tape handy right here and secure it and duct tape very carefully. If I can do it with one hand, I don't know if I can or not because I just dropped the duct tape. And it might have expired. No, it did not. Okay, we're just gonna put it right there. And then be very careful because this wire right here is hot at all times. And this traditionally is a no-no to come down here. If I were to touch this to an AC line or any other kind of line, it would just start burning up the wire. But if you're really careful and you know that everything around that wire is kind of like plastic and rubber anyway, we're gonna make sure that it's clean and dry, and we're gonna take this duct tape right here and we're gonna put it all the way over the metal conductor. And just to make sure, boy, that's a little bit sloppy, but just to make sure, we're gonna go around 2 or 3 times. And then we're gonna check it. Oh yeah, that's not gonna come off or ground anywhere. The duct tape, look at that beautiful duct tape adhesion. That's the perfect use of duct tape. Now just put it in a safe spot over here underneath this rubber intake hose, in between that other rubber pipe where it's not gonna ground out on anything. And now we can take off our serpentine belt with the auto tensioner. We can have a 17 right here. I prefer the extra long 17 open end, and then the tensioner just rolls back right like that. You see the belt gets super loose, and then you can just roll it off just like that. And if I am replacing this in a different video, but I'm just gonna leave it there for now. Now all we need to do is disconnect this connector right here. Sometimes it has a safety tab. In this particular case, it does not. So I can operate that with my big fat thumb, or I can just come in here and take a pick and well, that connector is being really stubborn and I don't want to break it. I think the security tab is loose on it. It's just wanting to be a pain. So there we go. Now it's still obstructed a little bit, so I'm just gonna take it off after I get these 6mm hex out, 4 of them. A quarter drive setup, impact swivel, extra long neck. One of my favorite types of setups. I'll get down here and get the more difficult one first. Now that would be super easy to take that rubber hose off, but we'll just bust it loose first. And hit the trigger. You can feel it get all the way loose. Don't need the swivel for these top two. pull out the connector once it's loose. Installation is in reverse of removal. We're doing this next. What is it?